Hi everyone, it's Wellness Wednesday. This is Dr. Priya. Today we're going to talk about the doTERRA Balance Oil. So the doTERRA Balance Oil was one of the very first emotional blends that doTERRA came out with. But before we start discussing a little bit about this oil, let's talk a little bit about self-care. The most important piece to self-care is our thoughts. The way we think about ourselves in our lives, the way we think about our circumstances, our situations, the way we talk to ourselves, the way we talk about our lives and our circumstances. Because all of these things, they can actually impact the biochemistry of our cells. So when we have a thought, the hypothalamus will release these neuropeptides. These neuropeptides will then attach to the receptor sites on our cells. These receptor sites will accept that neuropeptide and it becomes a molecule of emotion. And guess what? That molecule of emotion goes into the cell and it can change the way the cell behaves and it can actually change the way we feel. So imagine and remember those times when you felt very upset about something or frustrated or overwhelmed and you feel like either you're shaken up or you feel like nauseous or you get a headache or you're just completely exhausted. Now, on the other hand, remember those times when you feel so happy and you're grateful about your life and your circumstances. And remember how your body feels. It feels amazing and you have all this energy. Well, that's your biochemistry, and that's what happens when you have these thought processes and thought patterns. So now let's talk about the balance oil. So what happens is the balance oil is called the grounding blend, and it has different firs and woods. So it has a frankincense, it has the whole wood leaf, it has the spruce. So those are very grounding oils. But then it also has the florals. It has the blue chamomile, the blue tansy, and those are more florals. And what they do is they help nurture. They are healing and comforting. So when you have these moments of you're anxious or overwhelmed or upset or frustrated, what do you want to do? You want to get grounded, right? You want that energy to go down, not rise up. And then you want your heart to be open. Because you know what? Our best ideas actually don't come from our mind. They come from our heart. So how do you use this oil? Really quick. So you can take a couple drops in your hand and then rub your hands together. Oh, it smells so good. You could also put, couple drops, 4 drops into a diffuser and diffuse it. Or what you could do is take 2, 3, 4, 5 maybe drops, rub your hands, put it on the bottom of your feet or your ankles near the kidney 3 or kidney 7 acupuncture point. So it's really bringing that energy down to the earth, down to your feet. And you'll feel great. So enjoy this balance oil. Next week, we're going to talk about, where did it go? I have it here. Oh no, I lost my oil. Here it is. The Motivate blend, because who doesn't need a little bit of motivation? Bye everyone, have a great week.